kang giatay, inanay o gitatay, ako, gipagkatao, nga adunay, dagkong lusay. Bato ka di ay, ka adunay lusay, matod pa nila, payot di ay. Ay, ginoo ko kurbaa, eh. Napulong po't katuig ang milabay, ang last na kong kiay-kiay. Apan karong gabi una, ako mibalik para maghatag o kalipay kaninyong tanan. The first LGBT-elect as a city councilor of Tagum City and the most outstanding LGBT in the Philippines. And a successful entrepreneur with over 150 branches in the whole Philippines. Ang kanunay natong kiatangan, matagbuntag ako makalimaw o sa akong advice, daghan ang nagtulunan. Mga kaigalaan, ang content creator ng Team Hamloy. Ito po, si Honorable Leo Ribita. And I am proud to represent my city as I wear the Binuhat Festival of Tagum City. Ayaw kalimti, tabangi o kaloy numero 7, maluoy, pasig maulawan ko din eh. Happy Fiesta!
Mi música los tiene fuerte, bailando y se baila así.
Lo dice no miente, a mi mente y eso se mueve un día. No le bajamos, nunca paramos, eso tomamos y quedamos de oyente. Que vamos a la dentro. I feel like you're with me. Sing it, yeah, yeah. Sing it, yeah, yeah. So somebody stay right up in the ocean. Be a beast, I can give you emotion. Please don't question my devotion. I've been giving birth on these haters with some murder. These double C's on his back. I'm so guilty. Texas, Florida, Islands to Mexico.
Y dónde está el diente, mi trampa ya la tengo. Y dónde está el diente.
For who will be the winners of our special awards coming from our generous sponsors. Thank you so much in advance. Later on, iisahin po namin kayong pasasalamatan.
Salamat sa akong mga fans din sa tumbok na Junior. Salamat.
Wow, hello, Mami Leo. Ayan. How are you tonight, Mami Leo?
In fairness, naglisod yun ko sa ako ang pagbalik sa show, no? Actually, 10 years ago pa lang nag-join tong show and right now, akong pagbalik, muna-muna ginitaw nga ako ni, pero kaluoy sa Diyos, tungod sa inyong sa ako ang mga fans, Kabuhayan bilang ako ang loob. Daghang salamat. Thank you.
Wow! I guess ready na si candidate number 7 to pick your word. Ayan. And your word is individuality. Again, your word is individuality.
Each and every one of us has its own individuality. We are all unique, created by God. And I believe that our individuality, we should use that as an individual to inspire other people, to become a better person. Like me, I'm an inspiring individual, and there are a lot of people who their ambition of having their individuality, you should use in a good manner, and we should use our individuality in order for us to achieve our goals, and we can be successful in the near future. Thank you so much.
Very well said. Queen number 7, one of our crowd.
To be young and alive in New York City. To not know who I am, to know that I'm good on top here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. And I need to morning coffee, burning through the house talking. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room has got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I get to too much.
Our best in national question will receive a dash and a cash.
Next candidate who is part of our top 10 is candidate number 7. Joining to step back because this time
But I'm very much, it's my pleasure, and I'm very much happy when I'm back joining pageant. I was included in the top 10, and I bagged a lot of corporate awards. Thank you so much to all our sponsors. Salamat.
wow, very humble and sharing along with my experience of one of the most unforgettable experience with you during my high school days when I was competing regional Techno-Olympics on hair and makeup competition. She's the one that's the board of, he was the chairman of the board of judges. So, ipadaog dito niya sa regional. That is why I competed in a national level, representing Region 11. So, thank you so much for those times. Charing lang.
Yes, you really deserve that award as the grand champion from, I think, Davao City National
Yeah,
High
that was
School.
way back 2018.
Yes,
I
that
think.
was a Festivals of Talents among, that is, I think that is regional competition.
Yeah, so thank you so much for those times. So, you may now pick your question, candidate number 7. So, I'm gonna read it twice for you, and after that, you may give your thoughts, candidate number 7. So, your question goes like this. What do you think are are 3 top major secrets that each candidate here present possesses and why. Again, what do you think are 3 top major secrets that each candidate here present possesses and why?
Thank you so much for such a very tough question. Well, 3 things that the candidate should possess in order to win this pageant. First is she should be humble. The humility, the attitude is very important. I think that is one of the attributes that winning the pageant. Second is she should have the courage and strong determination in order for him to continue and boost her self-confidence in joining this pageant. And finally, she should be God-fearing because without God, we are nothing. I believe that prayer is the most cleansing therapy of the heart and soul, and it converts the weaknesses of a human being. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much! Queen number 7. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin. Ayan. So, may we request. So, we'll be having a 1 common question and no time limit. And I'll be asking, or I'll be reading the question twice, and after that you may give your thoughts. Alright, so here I go. The question is, a queen is typically powerful with her words and makes her own rules. And these rules are often designed to maintain stability, promote the well-being of her people, and uphold the values and interests of her surroundings. If you will be crowned tonight as the queen of all queens, what particular rule will you implement within your community? And what might be the possible reason that you will break your own rule? Again, a queen is typically powerful with her words and makes her own rules. And these rules are often designed to maintain stability, promote the well-being of her people, and uphold the values and interests of her surroundings. If you will be crowned tonight as the queen of all queens, what particular rule will you implement within your community, and what might be the possible reason that you will break your own rule?
Thank you so much for such a very long question.
You're welcome.
Well, given a chance to be the queen of all queens for tonight, the rule that I would like to implement in my community is that the acceptance of all genders for inclusivity and diversity. That would be the rule that I would implement in my community. Because if we are accepted, then there's no more discrimination. I believe that in the community we're in, everybody will appreciate our gender. Even you are a lesbian, a bisexual, a trans woman, you are accepted and you are recognized in your community. In that way, we can break the rule if we will not follow the rule that you implement. You will also break your rule as a member of the community, because as what I observe nowadays, that the LGBT community, not just here in the community of Tugbok and Davao City, but as well as nationwide, LGBT community was not able to achieve a unity, each and every one of them, because of their pride, because of their honor, and because of their individual differences. So the only thing that I would implement is to accept whatever gender we have in the community, so that we can be able to surpass all these circumstances, all these hindrances, and we can make a better place to live in this community. I think that would be all. Thank you.
Queen of all